Welcome back, friends, to TV5 News at 9. Joining us this morning, a real treat, Angela Williams from Great Lakes Bay Health Centers. Thank you so much for being here. How are you, Angela?
I'm great, Colette, and thank you for the invitation this morning.
We are delighted that you're here. Thank you so much. Today, viewers, we are talking about healthcare needs, so important for mothers and infants. So, Angela, what are some of the focuses of healthcare at Great Lakes Bay Health Centers that you're going to share with us today?
Today, we're going to address the importance of women seeking early prenatal care, safe sleep for infants, well child visits, the importance of our kids getting their vaccinations caught up, as well as COVID vaccines for children and pregnant women, Colette.
We love it. Okay, let's get started. What is so important right now that we need to think about, Angela?
What is very important is that mothers and their babies, we want them to generate positive health outcomes. So in order to do that, a mom who is considering pregnancy must stay healthy.
Okay.
Avoiding alcohol, drugs, and smoking, maintaining a healthy weight, but at the same time, in order to have a healthy birth weight, know the family history of your partner. Some people don't consider that. And something else that's most important is if you have medical conditions, seek help, especially for depression and mental health issues.
I love that. You talked a little bit about immunizations as well. That's pretty important right now, isn't it?
Immunizations are very important. At this time, we know that many babies and children have missed their opportunities to get their immunizations caught up. That's a great concern.
Yes.
There is a goal of preventing diseases that are real serious just by keeping your immunizations up.
Yeah. Is there another pressing issue that you would say this is really something moms need to think about with their infants right now?
One major concern is for every 1,000 Michigan live births, more than 6 infants die before they reach their first birthday. In 2020, the mortality rate for infants was 6.8 in the state of Michigan. For Saginaw County, it's 7.2, but Colette, this is really a concern that the rate continues to be extremely high in Saginaw, particularly in the Black community, where the death rate for Black babies is 12.8.
Oh, wow. That's alarming. Tell us why it's so important. We want to keep all of our babies alive and healthy. Why it's so important to get this information out there and let the community know about healthy babies.
Well, just some simple education. Sleep-related infant death is one of the issues attributed to infant mortality. So education about the term safe sleep, which refers to learning a safe way for your baby to sleep. Also, in addition to that, currently we know that there's a shortage of formula for babies, and understanding and getting education about lactation through our lactation specialists. We have breastfeeding support that's available at Great Lakes. We have the education that people need to obtain in order to have a healthy baby and a healthy lifestyle.
I love that. And Angela, as this healthy baby grows to become a child, what other healthcare information is important and vital to consider?
At this time, again, we cannot emphasize enough the importance of just getting those vaccines. And, you know, we have had issues with challenges related to COVID-19 and the pandemic. And so it is important that our moms and their babies be immunized not only for regular immunizations, but against COVID-19.
You know, Angela, with some of the parents out there, the moms out there who are pregnant, and they may still be hesitant about getting that COVID-19 vaccine, what would you tell them? How would you encourage them to tell them how it's so important to go out and get that?
At this time, it's important for a woman to just become her own healthcare advocate, Colette. Meaning that as you prepare for your medical visit, write down the questions you have. Make certain that when you go to your healthcare provider visit, you have a clear understanding of what measures you need to take to have a healthy pregnancy as well as your healthy baby, and just taking care of your health in general. So in terms of COVID-19, get the facts from CDC about COVID vaccination for your child and yourself. Go to our website. We have plenty of information available, but we must become our own healthcare advocates. So Great Lakes Bay Health Centers are here to provide healthcare support and services to our community, but we urge everyone to become your own healthcare advocate.
Angela, I think that's so important that you said before you go visit your doctor, make sure you write things down, plan ahead so you know what questions you have and what answers that you need from your physician. Thank you so much for that. Anything else you want to add before we
I just want people to go to our website and know that we also have information for women, infant, and children, WIC, that includes information about formulas and breastfeeding and other support for moms and their babies in Saginaw County.
Angela, thank you so much. You jam-packed some great, valuable information that we all need. We appreciate you calling in today. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You are welcome. And you can find more information in the hot link section of WNEM.com.